Hello everyone out there. Welcome back to Not Humans. In this ongoing episode, we have this number 5400 and our goal is to get its prime factors. Let's start the solution. Now put down our 5400. Then draw a vertical line. Look at these prime numbers set on the left. Dividing 5400 by 2, which equals 2700. So 5400 divided by 2 equals 2700. Dividing 2700 by 2, which equals 1350. So 2700 divided by 2 equals 1350. Dividing 1350 by 2, which equals 675. So 1350 divided by 2 equals 675. Dividing 675 by 2, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 675 by 3, which equals 225. So 675 divided by 3 equals 225. Dividing 225 by 3, which equals 75. So 225 divided by 3 equals 75. Dividing 75 by 3, which equals 25. So 75 divided by 3 equals 25. Dividing 25 by 3, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 25 by 5, which equals 5. So 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Dividing 5 by 5, which equals 1. So 5 divided by 5 equals 1. And we are done. The prime factors for 5400 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5, which can be written as 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 3 times 5 to the power 2. And these were the whole prime factors for this number. Make sure to like, subscribe and stay tuned.